Good morning, Philippines! Good morning, world! Good morning, Metro Manila! And good morning, Metro Cebu! And advance Happy New Year! Sabihin mo sa iyong sarili, alalahanin mo. Alalahanin mo. Alalahanin mo. Now, this morning, today, not your failures, not your works, but God's awesome works in your life this year of 2025. We're going to remember this morning, today, as we end the year, the wonderful works that God has done for us this 2025. I'll give an example to help you. Kanya kayo kamahal ni Bishop Lopez, ha? I'll go the extra mile. I'll make it as practical as I can. I will use my practical theology and my contextual theology. For example, God's financial and material provision for our lack or needs this year of 2025. Alalahanin natin kung paanong pinrovide, sinupply, ibinigay ni Lord lahat ng pera, lahat ng bagay na kinailangan natin sa taong ito. Tama! Hindi tayo pinagkulang ni Lord. Hindi tayo nagutom. Hindi tayo nawalan ng pera. That's one powerful work of God in your life that you must not forget. But remember, always,